Welcome to Fusion My Business. In this video, we'll demonstrate two examples of how to apply a service charge. The first example covers applying the service charge to a dine-in order, and the second shows how to apply it to an in-store order. Let's start with the dine-in process. Go to the dine-in section and click on a seated table. This will bring up the table's order item list. At the bottom, you'll see the service charge option. Click on it, choose your preferred percentage, and apply it. The service charge will be added to the total. After that, proceed to take the payment and click Charge to complete the order. Now let's move to the next one, applying the service charge to an in-store order. Go to the menu section and open the tandoori dishes category. Add a few items, then return to the menu. Next, go to the house special category and add a few more items. Once you're back at the main menu, you'll see the service charge option at the bottom. Click on it, select your preferred percentage, and apply it. The service charge will be added to the order list, and then tap on Charge, and in a few seconds it will be complete. Take charge of your restaurant's future with Fusion My Business.